This theory of evolution was given by Hugo Devaries, a Dutch botanist, in 1901, and he published this theory in his book Mutation Theory. The book was named as Mutation Theory. Hugo Devaries was a Dutch botanist. According to the theory, evolution is a spontaneous and jerky process. That means it is very fast process, and the mutations, he called them saltations. He called the mutations as saltations. He gave the main emphasis was on his studies was on Oenthera lamarckiana, commonly called evening primrose. Evening primrose. He explained his theory on the basis of some points. His first point was evolution is not a slow process, it is a fast and jerky process. Evolution is fast and jerky process. The new plants produced or new species produced, he named them mutants. Mutants form a new species. There is no gap between or no generation between, no gap between parents and mutants. No gap between parents and mutants. That means if this is parent, the new plants produced or new species produced, these are quite dissimilar from the parent. That means from parent this offspring or young ones, which are called mutants, they have some different features than the parent. They do not resemble with the parent, so he called them mutants. These mutations, he called the mutations as saltations. He called the mutations as saltations. He said that the evolution is a recurring process. Evolution is a recurring process, that is, it occurs again and again in the same species. These were the points which were given by Hugo Devaries in his theory, which he named as Theory of Mutation, and the book which he published, that was also named as Mutation Theory. And according to him, evolution is a spontaneous and jerky process. That means it's fast process. Whereas if we remember the theory of evolution by Darwin says that evolution is a slow process, gradual process, and there are many species in between parents and offsprings. But here he says their evolution occurs in a fast way, and there is no other generation between parents and new offsprings which are quite different from the parents, and he called the new species as mutants. And his the emphasis was which he studied, that was Panthera lamarckiana, which forms the basis of his theory of evolution.